Google just updated Gemini inside Chrome, and it removes one of the most annoying parts of using AI every single day. You know the drill. You find something on a web page, you highlight it, you copy it, you switch tabs, you paste it, you explain what you're looking at, and only then can you actually ask your question. That entire process is basically gone now. Gemini can see exactly what you're pointing at on your screen, and by the end of this, you're going to know exactly how to use it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's start with the headline feature, because this is the one that's going to save you the most time. You highlight anything on a web page, a block of text, an image, a price, a paragraph, and Gemini instantly knows what it is. You don't have to describe it, you don't have to explain it, you just ask your question straight away and it already understands the context because it's looking at the exact same thing you're looking at. Google is calling this select from screen and it's live right now in Chrome version 149. Here's how it actually works. You open the plus menu inside the Gemini side panel, tap select from screen, drag a box around whatever you want on the page, and it's instantly attached to your prompt. That's it. No copying, no pasting, no switching tabs to explain context, no typing out 3 sentences just to set the scene. Gemini already sees what you're looking at, so you can skip straight to the actual question you wanted answered in the first place. Now, before we get into how to actually use this, it's worth knowing that select from screen is just one piece of a much bigger update. Google didn't ship one small feature, they shipped a whole stack of changes at the same time. Gemini in Chrome now lives in a permanent side panel, so it's there no matter which tab you're on, no switching apps, no reopening windows, it's just always sitting there ready to go. There is also a new feature called Auto Browse, which lets Gemini handle multi-step tasks on the web for you, actually navigating and working through a process rather than just answering a single question. And on top of that, there's deeper integration now with Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, Maps, and Google Shopping, meaning Gemini can pull information from your inbox, cross-check something in another app, and draft you something useful, all without you touching a single new tab. Here's why this update is a bigger deal than it might sound at first. Think about how much time gets wasted just moving information from one place to another, so an AI tool can understand what you're talking about. You copy a paragraph, you paste it somewhere, you explain the context, and only then do you get an actual answer. Select from screen collapses all of that down into one single motion. You highlight, you ask, you're done. And because Gemini is reading exactly what's on the page in front of you, the answers you get back are grounded in the actual content, not some vague guess based on how you described it. That accuracy matters a lot more than people realize, especially when you're doing any kind of research, competitor analysis, or trying to understand something quickly without digging through a wall of text yourself. It's a small change on the surface, but it removes an entire step from basically every AI task you do inside the browser. And once that step is gone, you notice how much time it was actually costing you. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me walk you through a few ways people are already putting this to work, because the value really clicks once you see it in action. One obvious use case is research. Open up a competitor's website, highlight their homepage, their pricing page, or their testimonials, and ask Gemini what they're promising, what they're not addressing, and what feels like it's missing from their offer. You get a clear breakdown built entirely from what's actually on their site, not a generic guess. Another one is content research. Open a forum thread, a Reddit post, or a comment section where people are discussing a topic relevant to your business, highlight the comments, and ask Gemini to pull out the real objections or questions people are raising. You're not guessing what your audience is thinking anymore, you're reading it directly from real conversations and turning that straight into content ideas. It also works well for outreach. Open someone's LinkedIn profile or their business website, highlight their About section or their services page, and ask Gemini what problems this person seems to be dealing with based on what they've written. Because Gemini is reading the actual page in front of you, the output feels personalized instead of like a copy-paste template, because in a real sense, it is personalized, it's built from real content specific to that one person. And you can even use this to audit your own material. Open your own landing page, highlight the headline, and ask Gemini whether someone with zero context would understand the offer within 5 seconds. Highlight your pricing section and ask what's confusing about it. Highlight your testimonials and ask what objections they're failing to address. You can even select 2 different sections at once, like 2 different headline options, and have Gemini compare them directly and tell you which one is clearer and why. That's a live conversion audit without paying for a tool or hiring anyone, just Gemini reading exactly what you pointed at. Here's the bigger trend worth paying attention to. Every piece of this update, select from screen, auto browse, the permanent side panel, the deeper app integrations, all points in the same direction. Google is moving Gemini away from being a standalone chat tool you open when you remember to and turning it into something that's aware of what you're actually doing in the moment in real time. Inside the browser, you're already using every day. And there is more coming too. Google has said personal intelligence is on the way to Chrome as well, where Gemini will start remembering context from your past conversations and give you increasingly tailored answers based on what you've already shared with it. You don't need to be technical to start using any of this either. You just need Chrome 149, the Gemini side panel open, and something on a page worth highlighting. Try it once on a competitor's website or a page you're trying to improve, and you'll immediately see why this update is getting so much attention. This is one of those updates that sounds small on paper, copy and paste is gone. But once you actually use it for a day, going back to the old way of doing things is going to feel painfully slow. Most people are still going to be doing this the old way for weeks or months after this rolls out, simply because they haven't seen it in action yet, which honestly just means the people who start using it now get a head start. Everyone else is going to be playing catch up on later. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.